All right, welcome back everyone. Sunny Trainer Matt bringing you another great elliptical workout. This one's gonna be 20 minutes, but you're gonna be able to adjust it to fit your time needs. So what that means is the 20-minute workout, you can complete that, or you have the option of repeating the intervals that I'm gonna program into this workout. So pay attention, we'll go over the details. We're gonna start with a little warm up for 2 minutes. Go ahead and get comfortable on your machine. We'll go over the details. So this is going to be 20 minutes, 2-minute warm up, and then we're gonna go into our 5-minute interval blocks. So for each interval, you're gonna be doing 2 minutes at a moderate intensity, 2 minutes at a high intensity, and then you're gonna get a recovery period. We're gonna repeat that 3 times, so 3 5-minute blocks. The first block, we're gonna be focused on speed. The second block, we're gonna try to increase the resistance, not worry about our speed too much. And then our last block is gonna be a max effort block. So you're gonna go over max speed and as high as resistance as you can handle. So we're really gonna push it in that third block. So let's go ahead, add some resistance. If you haven't done so already, let's get up to 25% of the resistance you have on your machine. So for me, that's gonna be level 4 out of 16. We're gonna go 1 more minute, get those arms and legs going before we start block number 1. Remember, we got good posture, relaxed shoulders, trying to keep our heels against those foot platforms as best as possible. Don't want to be coming up too high on the toes. All right, so for this workout, we're gonna be using a rate of perceived exertion scale. So I'm gonna call out some numbers. That means I want you to hit a certain intensity. So if I say 10, that means you should be hitting it as hard as possible. If I say 1, that means you should be cruising, letting off the intensity, trying to get your heart rate to recover. So for this first 2-minute block, we're gonna go up to intensity 6 or 7. So that's moderate intensity. Wanna be pushing yourself a little bit. And again, we're working on speed for this block. So here we go, 3, 2, 1, and let's kick up our speed a little bit. If you have a machine that tracks your miles per hour, want to try to be above 16 miles an hour for this one. If you can get up to 18, go for it. We're not going for a complete sprint yet, but we do want to be at a nice fast pace. Nice easy breathing. We're doing 2 minutes. Level 6 to 7, moderate intensity. You should feel that body start to warm up. After this 2-minute segment, we're gonna move into another 2-minute segment where we're gonna pick up the pace even more and try to get close to sprint speed. So your effort level should be increased. You don't have to increase the resistance too much. If you do feel like you're not working too hard and you need to increase your heart rate a little bit more, add some resistance, maybe go up to 50% of the maximum resistance on your machine, which is what I'm gonna do for this next 2-minute segment. Keep going, keep breathing, nice and smooth. So 30 seconds, increase your resistance, and we're really gonna try to get to our sprint speed. So fast as you can, but still wanna maintain good body position, good control, keep your head still, keep your torso still, really pumping those arms and legs. 15 seconds. All right, let's take your resistance up, get it up to 50%. 3, 2, and 1. All right, let's push it a little faster. Really driving through those legs. Keep those arms moving as well. It's a 2-minute sprint. Come on, you gotta push yourself. 18 plus miles per hour if you can. Try to keep it consistent. 30 seconds in. You got this. Keep going. We're almost done with that first 5-minute block. Within each block, you're gonna have 1 minute of recovery time. So really push it hard through this last minute. Keep up that speed. Try to get a little faster if you can. This is a sprint, come on. Starting off quick with this first block. Keep breathing, let's go. Push yourself. Pump those arms, push and pull. Press down hard through those foot platforms. 30 seconds left, come on. Don't let that speed drop. Keep it up. Push hard to the end. 15 seconds left. 18 plus miles an hour. You got this. Keep going. 10 seconds. 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, recover. Reduce. Woo. Great work. Block 1, done. Moving into block 2. Same segments, 2 minutes of moderate resistance and intensity. And we're gonna do 2 minutes high resistance, higher intensity, and then another 1 minute recovery period. 30 seconds left. Get some water, towel off if you need to. Get ready for block number 2. All right, 15 seconds. %75 resistance, that's what we're going to. So I'm taking it up to 12 out of 16. If your machine only goes to 8, take it up to level 6. Here we go. 2 minutes, high resistance. Want 6 or 7 out of 10 on the intensity scale. So not quite max effort, but you should feel the resistance with this first 2-minute segment. Nice and smooth. Driving through the bottom of those feet, pushing and pulling hard through those handles. Keep breathing. Great job, keep going. Keep your speed up if you can. Stay on my pace. Going about 16 miles an hour. All right, as we get done with this last minute for this segment, get ready. You're gonna take it up to max resistance. So whatever you got on your machine, take it up to its max level. If you're feeling like this is already too hard, you can stay at this level, but try to increase it a little bit if you can. We got 2 minutes. We want 8 to 10 intensity. So getting close to max effort. All right, doing great, keep going. 10 seconds, start to boost that intensity. Resistance maxed out all the way up. Slowing down our stride. Really pumping it out with those arms and legs. Let's go. 2 minutes, and we got another recovery period. Keep striding. Arms and legs, push and pull. Keep breathing. Good posture, relax those shoulders. Nice smooth strides. Want to keep it between 14 and 15 miles an hour for this one. So nice, heavy resistance strides. Nice and smooth, keep going. Working hard today, you guys got this. Keep it up. Almost got 1 more minute. Then we'll make it to the next recovery period. If your legs are getting tired, let's engage more of the muscles in your upper body. So use those arms to power through. If your arms are getting tired, use those lower body muscles, drive through each stride. Let's go. You guys are doing great, we're almost there. 30 seconds. Keep striding, keep that pace up. Come on, push through. Got 1 minute recovery in 10 seconds. 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, bring off that resistance all the way down. Let's cruise. Great job, 2 blocks done. We got 1 more block left. This is gonna be our max effort block. What that means is, I want you to be at the highest resistance you can go while still keeping 16 plus miles per hour. So I wanna push it with this one. 2 minutes. Intensity should be around 7. Still wanna keep that speed up. But we want to also make sure that we're at a higher resistance than round 1. So we can't go below 50% of the resistance on our machines today. So for me, I'm gonna be at level 8 out of 16. If your machine only goes up to 8, let's get it to level 4. All right, here we go. Bringing it back up. 50% resistance, and we're gonna push it a little faster. So 2 minutes, maximum effort. We want good resistance with good speed, because we're gonna get up 2 minutes, all out effort, all the way up on that resistance, and we're gonna crank up that speed as fast as you can go. So whatever's left, we're gonna save it for that last 2-minute segment. So let's push it, 50%. 18 plus miles per hour. Let's go. If you feel like you're starting to drop in your speed, take off a little resistance. I want you to be able to push it. 1 minute left. And then we're going into max effort. 2 minutes, all the way up with your resistance. We're gonna push the speed as fast as you can. Keep going, keep going. Come on, get ready for that final push. 2 minutes max effort. Take that resistance all the way up. Trying to hold our speed as best we can. All right, 10 seconds. Let's take it up all the way. Max out that resistance. 2 minutes. Hard push, max effort. Let's go. Finish strong. You got this. Keep up that pace. Let your legs carry through this one. Strongest muscles in your body, let's go. Push and pull, left, right. Keep it up, keep breathing. We're 30 seconds in. Find a good pace. Keep pressing. Don't let your speed drop. Don't take off that resistance. Come on. Push through all the way to the end. You guys are doing great. Come on, finish strong with me. We got about 1 minute left. You got this. Let's finish that last minute. Give it all you got. Strong push, strong pull. Drive with those legs. Keep that speed up. 16 plus miles an hour. Come on. Stay with me. You can do it. Whew. Burning calories. Let's go. You guys are almost there. 30 seconds left. Push to the end. Let's go, let's go. Nearing the end, pick up that pace if you can. One last push. 15 seconds. Let's max out that effort, whatever's left in the tank. 10 seconds left. Don't stop. Don't stop. 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right. All right. Whew. Great job finishing that max effort round. Round 3. All right, we got 3 minutes. We're just gonna cool off. For this cool off period, it's very important. Wanna make sure that your heart rate recovers down to its resting rate. So, check your heart rate before you started this workout. We're gonna try to bring it back down to that resting rate. So if you're at 70 beats per minute before you started, your cool down should be as long as it takes to get back down close to 70. So we're just cruising, backing off the resistance, letting our body recover. You can drop your arms if you need to. Good job. Keep it up. If you're feeling good, you can always repeat those rounds again. So if you want a little bit longer workout, going through each round, each 5-minute block is 15 minutes of total work. Round 1, speed round. Round 2, cranking up the resistance. Round 3, max effort. So high resistance and as quick a pace as you can make. You can repeat those rounds as many times as you have time for. But I would recommend at least the 20-minute workout. That's the perfect amount of time for you to get some good cardiovascular training, burn a significant amount of calories. If you got more time, go through those rounds again. And I would say up to 3 times would be max for a particular day. So that'd be about 45 minutes of work with the recovery period and the warm up. Looking at around 50 minutes of cardio if you repeated those 3 times. So just keep that in mind. If you've never done this workout before, start with the 20-minute workout first. Get used to controlling your speed, get used to adjusting your resistance on your machine, and then make sure that you know what your max effort is that you can sustain for up to 2 minutes, because it's very important. If you're testing your max effort, you can only last 30 seconds. That means you need to decrease your resistance or control your speed a little bit better. So very important to be familiar with how your body responds to these segments. That way you can do these workouts safely and effectively. All right, great work. Heart rate should be coming down. Keep going if you need to. I'm Sunny Health and Fitness Trainer Matt. We'll see you next time. Keep up the good work.